Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide liked videos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile. Go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines you see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Select the Privacy option. Scroll down and you will find the Liked Videos option under the Safety section. Tap on it. Now click on Only Me to hide your liked videos. And you will hide liked videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to hide your liked videos on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.